How to fix white screen problem on Instagram on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the white screen problem on any Android phone easy and fast. First thing you have to do is close all the apps that are working on your phone and then go to the settings right here, go to the apps and then go to apps right here, and now all what you have to do is wait a few seconds until you see the apps that you have on your phone like this. Scroll down until you find Instagram and click on it, and then click on data usage. Scroll down and make sure to enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Go back again, go to storage, and now right here wait a few seconds and click on this clear data option and then click on clear cache. Now the last thing you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram. If the problem didn't solve it, then all what you have to do is uninstall Instagram app and reinstall it on Play Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.